ready for this? Y'all ready for this?
Don't you know, pump it up. You've got to pump it up. Don't you know, pump it up. You've got to pump it up. Don't you know, pump it up. You've got to pump it up. Don't you know, pump it up. You've got to pump it up. Don't you know, pump it up. You've got to pump it up. Don't you know, pump it up. You've got to pump it up. Don't you know, pump it up. You've got to pump it up. Don't you know, pump it up. You've got to pump it up. It's not so long ago that the sound hit the nation. Every Saturday night on your favorite radio, and the party's jumping, yeah, and the vibe feels so strong. Throw your hands in the air, lift your head up high. You know you've got to sing along. Don't you know, pump it up. You've got to pump it up. Don't you know, pump it up. You've got to pump it up. Don't you know, pump it up.
Hello. Alright. We're gonna do a programming stream tonight. I think we're actually pretty close to finishing this Deferred path tracer, so we'll see about that. Oh yeah, so it is getting dark, but you got a dove. Nice. Look at it. There's actually a rabbit right around the corner. Wonder if that's gonna go on camera. Yeah, so I might not have this on for the programming stream. I don't know. Or I don't know where I'll put it. I could just do it instead of my camera. just a bird instead of... It's actually, yeah, you know what, let's do that. Alright, here we go. Oh man, it's been a while since we did this. Okay. Yeah, so it's on the path tracer.
You've got to pump it up, don't you know, pump it up. You've got to pump it up, don't you know, pump it up. You've got to pump it up, don't you know, pump it up. You've got to pump it up, don't you know, pump it up. You've got to pump it up,
Oh yeah, we were applying, yeah, we were applying gamma correct here. Oh yeah, okay. Alright, let's, hold on, I'm gonna change the music up.
You know you can.
All right, how you guys are doing today?
Oh, I left the audio on this, I forgot. I have no idea what I want to listen to. Yeah, you know what this will do. Alright, so this ended up being too bright. Now that we have gamma correct, so I'm gonna lower the brightness of this. Bit better. I think we're gonna need some more. Oh yeah, so one of the things I remember now we were gonna change when we do the roughness here, we apply a curve so that lower roughnesses still blend more. Oh yeah, you can see it blends a little bit more there. I'm gonna make the sky less bright, and then I'm gonna rotate the sun a little bit. It's more facing the camera. Oh yeah, there we go. We do have some artifacts there. I'm guessing those are from here. Hey, said who? I'm finally finishing up this path tracer. So check this out. This is 100 samples per pixel. and there's no important sampling or anything. This is just random sampling. Here, I could actually make it better. It ends up blurring it, but it does make it much smoother. But yeah, there is still noise. The actual perfect way to do this would be to use blue noise. I'm actually wondering what all this noise is here.
Understand why they call them the blues. Because problems can make you have the blues.
Matrix constructors, a bunch of macros and stuff. I haven't done some C programming for a while. Alright, I'm guessing it's this part right here. Oh wait, what? What just happened? That made it less noisy. That made it way less noisy. What? What? Wait. What? What did I just do? Oh my god, that's really good. These variate functions. I was having a bug. I didn't realize it was because you need to pass VA list by reference. Right, it's actually modified. It's yep. Variadic functions are very weird. I wonder if this is by subtracting a little bit from here. I'm just gonna start messing with stuff. Oh, that did make it better. So it might be right here where it backs up. No, I don't think it's that, because that doesn't change it. Let me try doing more iterations just to be sure. Nope. Let me try backing up more. Maybe it's not backing up enough there. Yeah, no, I don't think whatever it is there. Either way though, this, look at how smooth that is. Oh my god. This is, I think there's something wrong about this though. Because you can kind of see, it's like, it should be reflecting the light right there. But, I don't know, it might be reflecting right there. I feel like there's some bug here. It might be this. Yeah, like that's not too different actually. I guess it makes sense though because the ground is so dark there. There's also only 20 iterations, so it's not like the light's bouncing very far. Alright, so actually the one thing that changed it was backing up right here. So it could be this. Oh, music, it's Japanese funk. Oh, yep, it's that. That basically fixed it. But it caused other issues. Oh, man. So I might have to ray trace backwards. Oof. Interesting. That's actually better where it's hitting. Ooh! Ooh, that's... Oh, it's got artifacts. Still. So... Oh, this is super interesting. Oh my god, is it a problem with tangents? No, I know what it is. I didn't consider this. Oh, I just closed one of the shaders. Okay, so I'm using two different epsilons. I've got the first epsilon here that's higher quality for tracing in screen space. It does this trace for the screen here, and then when it traces the path tracing where it bounces the light around, it does a lower epsilon. So the issue is when it goes from the screen space to the lower quality path tracing where it has a lower quality epsilon, what used to be like, because the epsilon kind of decides how far away the surface is, now that the epsilon is bigger, it's considered being in the surface. So I kind of need to either make the epsilons the same, which is not going to work with this system because I'm doing the trick where you make the epsilon bigger as you cast the ray farther, so that way that's how I get the huge view distance in 50 iterations. So like that would basically require me also storing, like me using the depth. Oh my god. No, actually I can do this because I have the depth. It's a deferred. It's a deferred ray tracer. So yeah, actually the solution here is just to use a single ray tracing, a single epsilon value. Actually, I can still have the two iterations. But yeah, now this DT is actually going to be like the total ray distance. So it's going to start out as Pmat X, which is the depth. This actually should be a pretty easy fix. Yeah, so I used to actually recalculate this. Now it's just going to be... I'm going to need to change around some of this code. Yeah, and I renamed this from... yeah, apps 0 to apps 1. Yeah, I need to rename a bunch of stuff. Alright. Do that quickly.
Your heart. Look around you.
Alright, this should have a bunch of issues, but I'm going to do it just to test.
It will astound you.
I didn't know that you loved me like you. I didn't know that you cared like you do.
I think that's actually right,
I feel
except for the part right there where it's going into the surface.
like you do. I feel like you do. I feel like you do. I didn't.
Oh yeah, that's nice. That's how it's supposed to look. Except for that right there where it's indenting. Oh, there we go. That looks perfect. I feel like there's still some issue with it. Yeah, that didn't even seem to change anything.
I didn't.
Oh my god, it works! Because the distance ends up being negative and it ends up stepping a little bit backwards out of the surface. Oh, that's so interesting. So I should technically be able to just do like this. Oh yeah. And it'll step it out if it's inside. And then does it make it better if I do a bigger step? Now what if I just do a constant step outward? Yeah, you know what? That looks really good. Yeah, I think that's good. Alright, I'm going to do a top-down view, and I'm going to try and render like an animation of this. I'm really happy with how this is looking. If only there's a way to fix the noise of the reflections right there. Alright, now let's make the camera scroll over. Look at that. Maybe a bit too much blurring on that reflective one right there. Yeah, I feel like I have the curve wrong for the roughness. We'll see. I'm gonna make it scroll over. You know what, let me just try putting this up and see if it makes it look better. Yeah, that just made it a bit more noisy there. What if I... Yeah, I don't know. This is still good though. Okay. Let's make the camera point down. Okay, that's up. That's not down. That's down. They look like a bunch of eggs. So you know what? I just realized I should actually make this bi-directional samples I'm just scaling them out based on the roughness. I should actually make it based off the screen space distance. So even if you make there be a whole bunch of samples, it doesn't blur them. Because what I'm pretty sure will end up happening with this is if I put like 10 samples, everything will get pretty washed out. Yeah, like even the reflective things there. So what I think I need to do is limit it. I don't know. Like, yeah, scale it out based off screen distance. And then you can see it's also like borrowing brightness from here. That might be right though. Definitely doesn't look bad. It's honestly pretty good, but I think there's a better way to do it. Let me finish what I was working on, making it scroll over. Yeah, so sharing surfaces there, I should change, or I should make it more, I don't know how to describe it, more picky about which surfaces it shares light samples from. Oh god. I forgot, if you make it move too quickly, it creates a blur. So I think time is supposed to be divided by the delay as well. Where is it? F samples. Oh my god, I forgot that completely went dark. Oops. Alright, now let me try limiting the samples that it blends. I should probably do this based off of roughness here. You know what? Actually, I should have a similar effect just doing this. Changing the scale of the dot product here. I wonder if applying it after the multiplication here. Oh yeah, that's much better. There's still a little bit there, but that's fine. Alright, let's see. Let's mess with the options of this. Let's try and make this as cheap as possible and then do a rendering. Alright, so that's still a bit noisy. That looks good. See, there is a little bit of noise right here though. That, yeah, so I think I do need to apply dot product separately here. I could also subtract a little bit from this. I'm going to try doing both. Yeah, so that made it not noisy. And this should greatly limit which surfaces share light samples. Oh yeah, so I made it a bit more noisy, but you can see it actually fixed the ghosting there. And it barely made it any more noisy. That's still actually really good. Let me see how much I can lower it. So yeah, that is making the ground here a little bit more noisy. Actually, it's hard to tell. But yeah, that is good. So this has no more, I don't know what to call that, ghosting or what. That's like really high quality, and it's low number of samples. So now I want to see, let's just see how little samples per pixel we can get this down to animate this. Try 10 samples per pixel. Oh yeah, so now you can really see the blocks. Okay, so now here's the real test. What if we just ramp up the bidirectional samples to make up for that. Oh my god, that's incredible. So it's blurry. It is blurry, but it works. So I wonder at which point this becomes more expensive than actually just tracing more rays. As you could kind of see there, it did get expensive. So yeah, there's obviously a trade-off point where it's still more worth it to cast more rays. Yeah, it seems 50 rays per pixel is good, not a lot of noise. I'm gonna try to render out an animation. I don't know if I want to do this on stream though, because this normally makes the stream lag so badly. So I might actually just do this off stream. Most of the programming's done here anyways. I'm super happy with the result. I just want to do the rendering here though, because then I can show what it looks like once it renders out. Actually, you know what? Let's try this. Oh god, no. Oh god, it's gonna make it lag a lot. Like, a lot. You know what, yeah, I think I'm gonna try and do the rendering. I'll at least try and do a second long rendering here. I'm just trying to remember how to do the rendering. Because this path tracer, what I end up doing is you do the frame rate times the frame delay, I believe. Let me just try this. Capture a second. Yeah, that seemed to work. Wait, what? Said it was done capturing, but it didn't encode the video. Wait, what? What happened to the video? Why is it not writing out to the video? Is FFmpeg still open? That isn't right. Yeah, so it should be capturing. Not sure what's happening. Is FFmpeg not running? I can't find FFmpeg in the process list. What? Is everything working fine on the stream? Yeah, so what's going on here? Try putting the delay to 1. So there we go. That worked. Alright, yeah, there's obviously a bug actually in the program, in the rendering code somewhere here. What is it doing? I mean, it's obviously writing out the frames. I'm almost having a feeling that it's not capturing proper data, but I don't know. Yeah, I would say couldn't capture video if FFmpeg couldn't be opened. I might need to bind the screen render texture here, I think. Hold on, let me just try recompiling this. That's wrong, but I'm just doing this to test. Oh, interesting. The video's broken. Okay. So I wonder if there's something wrong about it's rendering here. I don't know. Yeah, I think GL read pixels is off. Let me see if... Let me just try binding the screen render texture again. Because I think it's supposed to be reading off of the screen render texture here. Interesting. No, it didn't output. So it's either not counting the frames correctly or something. I'm not sure why FFmpeg isn't outputting any video. I gotta be honest. Video encoding is such a stupidly hard thing. It should be so simple. It should be as easy as saving image files and things, but not. Maybe I'll try adding a delay. Give it time to encode each frame. Nope. Yeah, I think it's just not outputting enough info. Oh man, I don't know. I gotta be honest. FFmpeg is a really fickle thing. Let me check something. Oh god, I don't know why my keyboard keeps automatically switching to the multilingual. It's some key binding that I don't know what it is. Error. Ooh, interesting. Interesting. Alright, so now this will output all the frame data slowly, and it'll say whether or not it fails. Failed to output. Interesting. I wonder why FFmpeg isn't taking input. I don't understand this. Why does FFmpeg fail sometimes and work other times? Yeah, honestly, I don't know why FFmpeg is failing to output here. You can see here it's basically just frozen, it's not taking any more input. It's like FFmpeg is just not reading input sometimes. So hold on, let me see if this works. No delay. Yeah, there we go with no delay. What? What? I'm so confused. Might have something to do with the way I'm setting the frame rate here. Because all I can think is that it being delayed. Alright, I'll try removing that. I'm just gonna try messing around with the FFmpeg commands. Nope, that fails. Oh, I've got the frame rate wrong here. It's just supposed to be normal frame rate. Oh man. That was it, wasn't it? Yep, that was it. Oh my god. Of course, it was just that small, simple thing. Well. Alright, there we go. Oh man, I wasn't really expecting that, but it happens. You always have bugs and stuff in your code. Okay, now let's do a nice rendering. This should render out 10 seconds. You know, it almost looks like video compression noise in a way. I'm pretty happy with this though, it looks good. How much frames are we dropping? Now we're hitting 30 FPS, but still good. Yeah, you know what? This looks awesome. Super happy with this. Should be very close to finishing rendering now. I'm just looking at all these different materials and it's honestly looking great. Yeah, actually, that makes the noise a lot more visible once you run it in real time. So yeah, that's so good we did that test. It's looking better, but yeah, it still has that shimmering. I almost feel like if we mixed the frames together a little bit. Did some almost like temporal blending that would fix this. Or if we made the... I think I actually know a trick to make this better. So this is due to the random rays. So based off the frame right here. So we're gonna do one called cracked frame that is frame mod samples, so it repeats each time. Hey, Ack. We are finishing up the path tracer. We just did a rendering of it too, but you can see there's some flickering or noise because the frames have different noise samples. I'm just trying to switch that up. I think I know how to fix it. I think I just need to do this modulo F samples wherever there's a noise function based off the hat or based off this. Alright, I'm gonna try capturing like 2 seconds again. See if it has as much noise. It shouldn't, because it should repeat after the samples. Or why I... Oh no, it still has flickering. That's probably just the actual position changing. It's cool, thank you. It's a ray tracer. It's one of my favorite things to program. Is there anywhere else we're doing random number generation? We're not doing the modulo. No, I guess not. I don't know. Yeah, so I think what's just happening is the ray position's changing. And that just changes the whole number generator. I don't know what I mean. I don't think I can do much about that. So I need tips. I'm on Windows 8.1. Should I upgrade? I'm on Windows 8.12 on a PC. It sucks. I don't know. I would honestly go to Linux if you have the option. I would go to Linux. Ooh, so I don't know what I want to do with this. So I could could blend together frames, but that would break stuff. Why would I go to Linux though? I just think it's better than Windows. And it's free. But I don't know, if you have the free Windows 10 upgrade, why not take it? Like, there's no real differences between Windows 8 and 10, there's just more stuff in 10. Alright, I'm gonna try doing more. More samples, see if that fixes it. I don't have a disk and I don't know where to get one. Did I go to Linux? Yeah, you need another PC and a USB. And then you install Linux on the USB, and then you use the USB on the PC you want to install Linux on. Look up how to install Linux. There's a whole bunch of tutorials on how to do it. Oh, that looks pretty good. Ooh, yeah. How many seconds of video is that? Is that a second? Why is it 120 frames per second? Oh my god, I had it set to 120 frames per second. Oops. I'm not buying a PC. You don't need to, you just need a USB. Alright, let me try doing this again. Without 120 frame rate. That looks so nice. Oh yeah, it's still got the noise. So yeah, I guess I really need to reduce the noise to make it show up good on video. That's fair. Let's see, let's figure out how many samples do we need to make good quality video. Yeah, that looks it. That looks right. Alright, that's gonna take way too long to render on stream. Oh god, it's lagging. It's freezing. Alright. There we go. The path tracer's done. That'll be it for me this evening. Thank you for watching the stream. Yeah, if you have any questions about installing Linux, I'm on Discord. Like Linux, the website, I believe, has instructions. Like, yeah, it's honestly pretty simple. So, you can do it from a CD, but I believe you need like a Blu-ray CD that has like 4 gigs of space for most Linux distros, and a lot of CDs don't have that. So yeah. Anyways, I'll see you around. Thank you for watching. You have a good evening.